In this video, I'll show you how to add category to a Discord server. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. Now, if you have created a server and you want to add a category is basically like a main channel, right? Where other channels are on there, right? So for you to add a category, what you're gonna do, right? I'm gonna click right here. I'm gonna see this create category. So I want to create a category that would contain some of these informations, right? I'm gonna do this. Create category. Once I'm done, I can name this good, right? So I'm gonna create this category. Once I'm done, you can see I just created the category. This is the good, right? So I can still carry this and put under here, right? So this can be here. So if I click on this, yeah, so but this was basically how you can create a category, right? You're gonna click on here, click the create category, type in the name I want to type in. I can still come on here, I can type in let me say important message, right? So once I'm done, I'm gonna click on the create category. It's gonna create for me. This is how you can create category in Discord. If I find this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'm gonna see you guys in the very next one.